Servus guys, welcome back to the channel. This is gonna be a short video on the tension strut. You find down here. Why changing them? Because when they go bad, this bushing will go bad here, and car drives this way. It's angled about 40 degree, 45 degree maybe. When this is aging and starts to fail, you will notice it because your front suspension will become more loose. So under accelerating, when you lift the car, you take the weight off on the front, it's gonna start swimming around. And when you brake, even more so, because you put all the force onto it, this will start to swim around. And you will feel that, you will feel some vibration and the general floaty behavior of the car. Mine are not too bad, but I changed them anyway because this is just part of a bigger project of lowering the car, and I'll take these out right away. So I already prepared a little bit. You take off the under tray, you take off these little triangular pieces here on the side. These here just hold by 4 screws, and now you have access to the Torx down here, the E-Torx. I'm gonna drop you the dimension of the tools, the torque specifications and part numbers into the description so you can find it easily. I will also mention it, of course, as we film along. And now let's just start, since I already prepared. As mentioned, we have one here, and then of course you have the joint on the other side down there, and then it already comes out. Price for these is about $75 a piece, around there, so it's about $150. You need to order the bolt separately. The nut for out here comes with the piece, so you're looking at like, I don't know, like 180, 190 plus tax or so. You will need a E20 for this bolt, and you will need a 24mm hex for the one down here. Here you see the E20. The bolt comes out to this side. This is the 24. You open that up. You probably have to take a Torx to hold it so it doesn't turn with it. And you saw the tension strut shooting up as soon as I just pushed it out a little bit. That's because you have to tighten the inner one when the wheel is on the ground. So in German it's called Normallage, normal level. Otherwise you add stress to the bushing here and it's gonna rip apart fairly soon. It's one. Now let's take the E20, and if I haven't mentioned, there's a T50 to hold the inside. There's number one. Take a look. You do see some cracks here. Both sides, both arms. So it is. It's not totally failed yet, but since I take it out anyway, might as well change it. This should have some resistance. It's like wobbling around, so it's not absolutely dead, and I also didn't had strong symptoms. Just the driving is overall, the suspension is overall a little bit floaty, but I attribute this to, of course, this one, but also all the other ones in there, especially the dampeners. So taking out the other one, then putting it back in. Once you tighten the tension strut again, it's like 85 Newton meter and 180 degree, and down here it's 100 Newton meter, 90 degree. You of course have to push the wheel up. This has to be tightened in when the car is level. You just put your plastic underneath here again and you're done. And that is how you change your tension struts. It's not all that hard and it's not all that expensive. If you have any symptoms, get it out of the way right away. Those are cheaper parts in the suspension. And even if not, in case you change your suspension, springs, dampeners, maybe upgrade the coilovers, you have to open them anyway, might as well swap them out. It will just aid the entire driving experience you have from there on. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.